Hello Freedom Lovers, Love and Chuck here. Today I'm going to be going over this Outers 51 piece screwdriver kit. Now I have plenty of screwdriver kits, but it always seems like you never have enough screwdrivers. I got this for free from CDNN. They have lots of parts and guns and stuff like that. I'll post a link to their site. And I didn't even know I was getting this free. They always have those deals where if you buy an AR part, you get this free or that free. And I think a lot of times I've not gotten it because I think maybe I'm supposed to add it into the cart myself and I forget or don't think about it. But they sent me this and an AccuWedge, both in the same order, free. So that was pretty nice. Now, they routinely sell these for under 10 bucks. And I think that's probably a fair price for it. Just looking at, from the outside. We'll see when we open it up. But I listed it as 35 bucks retail, which no way in hell would I pay, over 20 bucks for this, let alone 30. Like I said, 10 bucks or less. If you needed a screwdriver kit, sure. If I didn't need a screwdriver kit, I wouldn't even pay $10 for it. But not saying that it's not worth it. It's just, it's not like it's a super huge steal at $10. But let's open it up and see what a free 51-piece Outers screwdriver kit looks like. Like I said, it's free and it's Outers. Outers, makes a lot of good stuff for sportsmen and outdoorsmen and hunter shooters. Okay, got a plastic case, nice clear. I kind of like that, I have to say. Lets you see if you can look and see if the bit you're looking for is in there or not. So that's kind of neat. I'm worried about how brittle it is, though. It's a little bit of banging around. I could see this thing cracking really bad. These are just kind of laying loose. I guess they'd probably go here, that way. There you go. You got your screwdriver with the hex slot in it to slide the different tips into. And I don't know if this ratchets or not. It doesn't seem to ratchet that I can tell. But that's okay. It's free. And it's got a nice soft rubbery grip to it, which is nice. It's not the hard plastic. It doesn't have any like sweat grooves or anything in it. But the rubber has a really slight, just barely noticeable texture to it, and it's soft and grippy. So even with a little sweat, I think you'd still have a really good grip on it. Looks like it has most of your standard tips. You've got lots of straight screwdriver tips. Looks like we got some Torx in here. Some of these are so small I can't even tell for sure. Then a bunch of Allen wrenches. And just a few Phillips. Not very many Phillips heads. Tips. But overall, these are in there really firm. They don't seem like they're going to come out. If you turn it upside down, shake a little bit. Nope. Let's see if I open it up and shake it. Nope, they stay in there pretty good, so that's pretty good. And as I said, for a free, that's a heck of a deal. So if you ever go to CDNN, I'll post a link. They quite routinely have these deals where you buy something, you get something for free, or just really crazy deals on there. Like I said, this has got a nice, that same kind of grip rubber on it, so it isn't going to slide around on you for sure. Looks like it's got a thing here so you can hang it up. If you got pegboard or a hook or something you could just hang it right up. That's also kind of nice. Like I said, about the only thing I'd be worried about is this clear door is pretty brittle, and the hinge seems not the sturdiest either. Probably kind of the weak point in the whole deal, but if you get it for free, I definitely wouldn't complain too much. And if you get it when it's on sale for a few bucks, if you're looking for a screwdriver set, I would say it looks like a pretty good deal. I haven't used the screw tips yet, but I mean, they're screw tips, they're steel, and it's kind of hard to screw them up too much. So that's it. That's the Outers 51-piece screwdriver kit that I got for free from CDNN. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Feel free to leave any comments or questions below. And thank you for watching.
Schniedelwutz.
Schniedelwutz.